Hey, Miss Kathleen, I'm going to show you how to use the home unit. First, you got to take all this out. You got to plug it together like this. And this right here, it's gonna hook up to the back of the neuro light, right there. So let me show you how the settings work. Right here, so you turn it on right here. And then you put it on level 1 and you put it for 10 minutes. And that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. So turn it on, level 1, 10 minutes. And that's it. And to use it,
Got it?
yeah. Basically just gonna lay down. Then you're just gonna put it right here. And you're gonna wrap it right around your head. Just like that. And then you're gonna be doing 10 minutes twice a day.